Howdy everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a very fast one. This is for printing PDFs. Say you have a sheet like this, a drawing like this, and you have all these sheets, and you just commonly would just go, okay, I want to send off a PDF. So you would do export PDF, you'd put in the name, find your location, and hit save. Problem is, your client or whoever you sent this to would go, hey, I only got the first page. Why is that? And a lot of people will go in figuring that it's a setting inside of the properties of Inventor. It's actually not the case. It's right here. It's pretty simple. Just come over to the word option. It defaults here to current sheet. So you have to pick all sheets. From that point, you will get everything in this list. So it's an easy fix. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.